Hi guys, welcome back to Atharv Guruji channel. Today we will learn about the merge statement and see how it will work, and we will also cover the output clause and how it will work. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So basically by using merge statement you can perform three operations together: insert, update, delete with the single statement. Okay. So if data meshed, then we will update the data. If data is not available in the target table but data is available in the source table, then we will insert the data. If data is available in the target table but is not available in the source table, then we will delete that data. So see, I have a two table here, EMP table and source EMP table. Merge EMP as target using, let's copy this, source EMP as source. Simple. Now, based on which column we will update, insert and delete data based on EMPID and employee ID. So simple right here on target dot EMPID equal to source dot employee ID. Copy with header. Simple. Now, if data will match, then when matched, then what we will do? We will update the data. Update, set, target dot EMP name equal to source dot employee name. Copy. Just copy this. Target dot age. We will update the name data and age data. So age simple. When not matched by target, then we will insert the data. Insert. Just copy from here. Copy with header. Just a second. Missed comma. Values. Source dot EMP name. Copy from here. Comma. Source dot age. Simple. If data not matched by source, then we will delete the data. When not matched by source, then what we will do? We will delete the data. Simple. And if you want to see the output of insert query, simple, right here, output inserted INSERTED, okay, inserted, comma, star. Just add this. Simple. See this. So we have a two table, target table and source table. If data is mesh, means employee ID is mesh, then I will update the data. I will update the EMP name and age, means name and age. And if not matched by target, then we will insert this new record in the target table. Simple. If not matched by the source, if data is not matched with the source table, then we will delete the data from the target table. And this is the output. So first see the data. This is our EMP table. This is SourceEMP table. So these three record here, see Atharv, it will become Atharv BAROLIYA, Aditi will become Aditi BAROLIYA, and ANURAG will become ANURAG BAROLIYA. But we have a two records ANURAG here. So this ID record will be deleted because this data is available in the source table, sorry, in the target table, but not available in the which table? In the source table. So this data will delete. 6 employee ID, 6 data will deleted. And this data is available in the employee ID 4 data is available in the source table, but this data is not available in the target table. So this data will insert with the new IDs 6 to 7. See, it will work or not. Just select this. Execute. See, this is the inserted output. Okay. See, now see the data. EMP table. See, Anurag with employee ID 6 record was deleted. See this. New record is inserted with employee ID 7. Simple. This record is inserted and the old record is deleted. Simple. So this way you can insert the data and update the data and delete the data by using one single statement. But this statement has one disadvantage. If suppose your database is frequently used, then if you will add this merge statement in a last table, then it will slow down the performance of your DB because it will create a lock on your tables. Okay, so we have to see where it is required. If your table is small and you want to just insert update, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.